And then we're gonna throw in some salt and some fizzy tabs and see what happens. So first things first, can you help me? We're gonna pour a little bit of water in. Right there. Okay. So that is just plain old water. Okay. Next, we're gonna get some oil. We're using avocado oil.
I'm gonna help you with the oil.
You wanna help me pour it?
Yeah.
So our container. And watch, what you're looking for is to see that the oil and the water don't mix. Okay? Oil stays up here, and the water stays down there.
Then we're gonna put salt and before we do this.
Yeah, so next, we're gonna pour a little bit of salt in and see what happens. You ready?
Yeah.
You see that?
I see that. Yes, ma'am, where the... Sorry. Are those all the glitter?
We're gonna throw a fizzy tab in there and see what happens.
I'm gonna put fizzy caps in there.
I'll give you the fizzy cap, alright? You ready?
I'm gonna put two in the same time.
Oh, that might be really big.
You want for gold?
Let's see what we got.
Oh,
Whoa, look at that.
is it gonna be so big and is it gonna explode?
Oh, look at that. That's pretty neat.
If we put one, it's
Oh,
gonna
look at them
explode.
going. Look at the bubbles going through the oil. You see that?
It's the one. If we put one, is it gonna explode?
I don't know, but look. You see that? Where the bubbles are going through the oil? How neat is that? Nice. There we go. Good job, bud.
Hey.
Yeah. Now you can see the oil layer a little better. You see how it's going through?
Yeah.
So all your fizzy things, when the bubbles hit the oil, they're going through.
I can see that.
Oh, it's getting really fizzy.
Look at all the bubbles. That
It's
it's creating.
foaming out.
Wow.
Wow. It almost looks like it sparkles.
Yeah.
Was not my taste that was this?
You can do that if that's what you want.
I want to do that. If it sinks, that means I'm gonna touch it. Ew. I'm gonna use this for something.
We're gonna have to wash it first.
I'll get you a napkin.
Ew, I'm so dirty.
That's just one of the experiments from the color chemistry lab kit from Crayola.
You wanna see what happens if we put some water in?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see. It looks kind of full to me.
Can you help me? I need some help.
Oh, it's overflowing.
We need to get some water.
Oh, it's spilling.
Look how cool that looks on the top, bud. That's all the sparkling stuff.
Ah, but watch out.
Check the show!
Ah! I think it might. Yep, that was it. That was fun, huh?